In today's practice, I'll be sharing with you 5 beginner yoga poses to help you to relieve tension in the back, to help you to relieve chronic back pain. We'll be focusing on using mindful breathing to help us to release tension while we are practicing in the yoga poses. However, if you have acute pain, please do consult your doctor before you start this practice. What will you need today? If you have very tight hamstring, then a yoga block like this or a firm cushion will be ideal for the practice. So if you're ready, let's begin right now. Let's start by sitting cross-legged in this position. Relax the shoulders, keeping the back straight, chin parallel to the floor. Your hands can be in chin mudra, thumb and index finger touching. So if you're ready, you can close your eyes, soften the face, chin parallel to the floor. Let's take a couple of deep breaths here. Inhale, abdomen out. Exhale, abdomen in. Inhale, abdomen out. Exhale, abdomen in. Continue to feel the movement in your abdomen. And let's listen to 3 sounds of the bell. Namaste. Okay, let's begin with the yoga postures, and the first one would be the downward facing dog. Let's start with the tabletop position. Let's have our palms shoulder width apart and our knees hip distance apart. So have awareness that our shoulders is over our wrist and our hips over our knees, palms shoulder width apart and our knees hip distance apart. So gently pressing the toes down. All right, you want to soften your elbows and not dropping your head down. Okay, you can gently engage your core muscles. Press the toes down and float your knees up and slowly reach the hips back. And straighten your knees, reaching your hips away. Keep the head between the arms. Don't worry if your heels not touching the mat. What you want to focus here is to feel the stretch. So if it's very tight, the knees might be slightly bending or heels high up like this, and that's fine. Just make sure there's no stress in the body. You can always come back to the child's pose at any time. So you want to feel the fingertips pressing into the mat and your hips moving away from your crown. And take another deep breath here. Inhale. And as we exhale, slowly bend the knees, coming back down. Okay, and then from here, tail up, chest shining forward, gaze up. Take a deep breath. As we exhale, let's come back to the tabletop. Okay, let's practice one more time. Pressing the toes down, inhale. As we exhale, float the knees up and reach the hips back. And keep the head between the arms, strong shoulder blades, soften the elbows. Take one more long deep breath. And as we exhale, slowly coming back down. And lower the knees down. And let's go into our child's pose, modified version. So you're going to have your knees further apart. Relax your toes. You're going to round your back. Allow the sit bone to relax onto your heels. And slowly move your hands forward and release your forehead down. Relax the elbows. Now breathe deeply into your lower back. As you exhale, relax your neck, your shoulders, your lower back. If this is not comfortable for you, if you have a yoga block, you can just grab hold of your yoga block like this. Okay, and just rest the forehead, relax the neck and shoulders. This will be great for people with very tight hips, tight quads. Breathing, breathing. Om. Inhale. As we exhale, slowly crawl up and coming up slowly. And from here, okay, we're just going to sit in Virasana for a short while. Relax the shoulders. Gently turn our head to the right side. Inhale, center. Exhale to the opposite side. Back to center. Inhale. Exhale, chin towards the throat. Stretch the back of the neck. And back to center. And inhale. Chin up, face up. Stretch the neck. Inhale, exhale, return and relax. Let's practice the third posture. We're going to go into Paschimottanasana, seated forward bend. So today we'll start with the modified version where we're going to sit on the block. Okay, if you have or a firm cushion, okay, so just going to make sure you're not sitting too far back, so maybe half of the block or half of your cushion. We're going to have the toes pointing up, so make sure you're sitting up tall like this. Relax the shoulders. Okay, so from here we're going to have the hands up. Inhale. As we exhale, slowly fold forward. So for some of you this may be challenging, okay, to go any further, then just release your hands down. Make sure you're not dropping the head down. Okay, lengthening your spine, shoulders relax. Okay, you're gazing down. Once you're comfortable, close your eyes and breathe into your lower back. And exhale. For those of you comfortable, can go a little bit deeper. Once again, don't squeeze the shoulders. Okay, relax the shoulders. Okay, allow the space in the neck and shoulders and breathe into your back. Just aware that we do not drop the feet outwards, so we focus on pointing the toes up. And we can stretch the hamstring and the whole entire back. So use the breath to stretch the back. Inhale deeply and exhale. Inhale deeply and exhale. Inhale, reaching far, coming all the way up. And in this position, just reach your fingertips up without squeezing your shoulders. Sit tall, lengthen, 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 and exhale, release the hands and relax. So let's go into a counter posture. So from here, those of you who have any wrist pain, you can have the palms like this and just expand your chest, stretch your neck and face up. Next, we're going to come up to a kneeling position. So you may want to grab a towel, okay, or a blanket to cushion your knees. Okay, so we're going to practice the revolve twist. Okay, so from here, let's have the knees hip distance apart. Okay, find your center. We're going to step forward with our right foot. Okay, make sure the hip is balanced. Okay, hip square. We're going to twist towards the right side. You can have your left hand touching the outside of your right knee and your right hand gently reminding yourself to relax the right hip. And we're going to look back. Feel the spinal twist. You can just stay in this position as an option. Okay, if you're comfortable, you can fold forward, flex the left elbow. You're going to push against the outside of your right knee. Hands in prayer. Okay, align your spine and slowly gaze down. Breathing. So keeping the left hand active, you can feel the stretch in the back. Now for those who have been practicing for a little bit, you can also continue. Okay, to straighten the back knee. You don't need to do this. And stretch through the back heel, through the crown. So for today, we continue to gaze down. Okay, to just find this balance. breathing. Slowly lower the back knee down, joining the rest. And coming back to center, inhale. Let's go into a counter posture. Your right palm lower down beside your right foot. Okay, the shoulders touching the inside of your right knee. Extend the left arm up. You can gaze forward or you can gaze up. Inhale. Exhale, release down and relax. Slowly come up. Okay, bring the right foot down, right knee down. Find your center. Let's practice the other side. When you're ready, left foot forward, left knee align the left ankle. You can gently touch your hips. Remind yourself to keep the hips square and slowly twist towards the left side. So the right hand outside of your left knee and gently gaze to the side or back. If comfortable, take a deep breath as we exhale. Flex the right elbow, fold forward. So push against your knee and feel the twist. Okay, you can gaze down like this. So my hands in prayer, keeping my right arm active. You can feel the stretch here only if you've been practicing for a while. If you're comfortable, then you can slowly straighten the back knee and stretch through the back heel, lengthening through the crown. Breathing, breathing, breathing. Inhale. Exhale, slowly lower the back knee down. And inhale, back to center. Exhale, release the hands. Let's do the counter posture. Left palm down beside your left foot. Okay, so the shoulders touching the inside of your left knee. Extend the arms up. So you can gaze forward or you can gaze up. Take a deep breath. As we exhale, slowly return. Okay, and slowly walk your left foot out. And from here, we're going to slowly go into our child's pose. Knees apart, toes touching, rounding the back and forehead down. And breathe into your lower back. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly curl up. Let's cross your legs comfortably. It'll be good to sit on the yoga block or the yoga cushion, okay, so that you can keep your back straight and release your hips. So hands in Chin Mudra, okay, spine straight, shoulders relaxed. When you're ready, close your eyes and let's come back to our breath. Inhale, abdomen out. Exhale, abdomen in. Inhale, abdomen out. Exhale, abdomen in. Let's listen to 3 sounds of the bell. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om. May this peace be with you for the rest of the day. Just make sure you don't force yourself into the posture and causing more pain. All right, so find a balance of relaxation and also putting in a little bit of effort if you practice regularly. If you're interested to have another practice today, you can join me in this tutorial here. And I'll see you in the next practice. Namaste.